Good morning children. Welcome back to the class. Let's continue our chapter lesson 11. And we were learning about they showed us the path. Here I told you the meaning of they. What is the meaning of they here? The freedom fighters. Those who struggled for getting the freedom. And in the previous class we learned about the two freedom fighters. Do you remember them? Yes, one was Rani Lakshmi Bai and another was Subhash Chandra Bose. We learnt about their life. We learnt how did they participate in struggle for the freedom. Okay. Today we are going to learn about very important freedom fighter, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So before you start, we will take our book in the hand. All of you take the book in hand. Open page 57. On page 57 you have the heading of Bal Gangadhar Tilak with his picture here. Okay. Now Bal Gangadhar Tilak is also known as father of Indian national movement. He was so important. He did so many work for the freedom that he is considered as father of Indian national movement. Okay. So one line I will read and I will make you understand it. Okay. In some words you need to be understood in Hindi. I will tell that also. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is considered that he is also called as father of Indian national movement, and he was born in highly cultured family. That means his family was well cultured. And when was he born? On July 23rd, 1856. See, I have mentioned here, he was born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. The birthplace is Maharashtra and the date is 23rd July 1856, and in very well cultured family. Okay. Now during freedom struggle, his slogan means I told you, which you say in Hindi, Nara. Okay. So his slogan was Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. मतलब कि freedom जो है मेरा right है and I want to get the freedom back. That is Swaraj. Swaraj my means मेरा अपना देश. Okay. My own ruling myself. I want to rule myself. Okay. मैं अपना खुद रूल शासन करना चाहता हूँ. So Swaraj is my birthright and I want to have it. This is the very famous slogan. Inspired millions of Indians. So many people were inspired. So his thought that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. This thought, ये जो idea था that Swaraj is my birthright, ये मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं स्वतंत्रता लेके ही रहूँगा. This thing inspired lot of people. He was among the India's first generation of youth to receive a modern college education. So in 1856 he was born, and the first generation he was from the first generation man that he got the modern education. Okay. Now Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak started two weeklies. You know what is weeklies? Like magazine. Like newspapers come every day. ओके. तो कुछ मैगजीन्स होती हैं, पत्रिका होती हैं जो सप्ताह में एक बार ही आती हैं. ओके. दे आर कॉल्ड एज वीकलीज. सो द टू वीकलीज ही स्टार्टेड, द नेम वाज केसरी एंड मराठा. ओके. नाउ केसरी वाज रिटन इन मराठी. ओके. एंड मराठा वाज रिटन इन इंग्लिश. ये जो मैगजीन थी एक मराठी लैंग्वेज में थी और एक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में थी. Why he wrote these two magazines? just to make people understand and aware what is the plight of Indian people. Plight means क्या दुखद स्थिति थी लोगों की, what pain the people of India were going in. So in his magazine, that is in Kesari, he wrote in Marathi so that the local people could understand. He wrote Maratha in English so that all people, not only Marathis, all over India people, those who could understand English, know, पता चले कि भारतीयों के साथ और इंडियंस के साथ क्या हो रहा है, what is their plight, what is their poor condition. Okay, he gave a vivid means a very big picture of, a very clear picture of Indian suffering. So in these magazines which he wrote once in a week, weekly, he used to show what was the poor condition of Indians. He used to describe it very clearly. Tilak called once upon every Indians to fight for his rights. So he called upon, he told everybody in his magazines, in his talk, that we all have to unite together to fight for the freedom. So he used fiery language. मतलब उनके जो भाषण होते थे बहुत ही means the talks that he used to talk to the people used to be very full of very vigor, full of very zeal, very powerful speech he used to give, so that people may get inspired to arouse the sleeping Indians. Many Indians were not knowing only what is happening with them. तो उनका भाषण जो था, those Indians who are sleeping doesn't mean sleeping on the bed. Sleeping here means were not knowing what is the situation, what is happening with them. Okay, so his talks and his messages in the magazine or his lecture used to be very inspiring, very powerful. Okay, so that people must know what is happening all around them. We come to the next third paragraph. Sorry. Tilak joined Indian National Congress in 1890s. So he joined Indian National Congress, but he opposed moderate views. So moderate views of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was of used to say that we have to get freedom without any fight and without any non-violence and all. So he was not in favor with him or was not supporting him. So in 1907, Indian National Congress was divided into two parts, Naram Dal and Garam Dal, which you can see in the picture also. Garam Dal means hot faction, Naram Dal means soft faction. So that Indian National Congress, that group of people, दो भागों में विभाजित हो गया. One group was called hot faction, they okay, or another one was called as your cold soft faction. Garam Dal, that means this group of people was led by Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandra Pal. These three people used to lead Garam Dal. Okay, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal and Lala Lajpat Rai. That's why these three were famous with the name of Lal, Bal, Pal. Okay, Bal means Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lal is yours who? Lala Lajpat Rai, Pal is Bipin Chandra Pal. Okay, so these three used to lead Garam Dal. Together they were known as Lal Bal Pal and Naram Dal was led by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. So I told you about two weeklies, the magazines in which he is describing about the Indian plight. What is the poor condition of Indians during the British rule? In Marathi also, in English, so that everybody knows. Then he joined Indian National Congress. He was not supporting or matching his views with Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Later in 1907, Indian National Congress, which he joined, were divided into two parts, Garam Dal and Naram Dal, hot fraction and soft. That means Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandra Pal. They were belonging to Garam Dal, hot faction. And Naram Dal, that means soft one, using the softer ways and without any non-violence and all, was your Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Now, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, in the course of fighting for people's cause, was sentenced to imprisonment twice. Now, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, in course of fighting, many times he used to fight for the right of people and used to do so many things for people. So, when he used to support people, he was twice, that means two times, he was caught and put into prison. He launched Swadeshi movement, that means using your own, अपने देश में बना हुआ सामान use करना, okay, and inspired freedom struggle, and he told many people and made people understand that we have to fight for our freedom with the goal of Swaraj. उनका एक ही लक्ष्य था, goal means your own aim, one aim is your goal. So his only aim or lakshya was to get Swaraj, freedom, okay, or his own, our own rule in India. Tilak with any basin set up Home Rule League. Tilak constantly travelled across country to inspire and convince people to believe in Swaraj. So he used to not only live in Maharashtra, that is where he was born, he used to go all over India and talk to people, make them understand, preach them and tell them about that we need to fight for freedom. He was constantly fighting against injustice, and one sad day on 1st August 1920 he died. So he kept on fighting for struggle, going here and there, making people aware of their rights and the plight. And but with this long struggle and work, constant work, on 1st August 1920 he died. Till then he kept working and fighting for the freedom. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was one of the prime architect of modern India. So he is also called as very important architect. जो आज हमारे पास भारत बना हुआ है, मॉडर्न इंडिया है, वन आर्किटेक्ट, उसकी बनावट में बाल गंगाधर तिलक का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज कंसिडर्ड एन आर्किटेक्ट. आर्किटेक्ट मीन्स जो बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं ना. So he is considered an architect in making India. What India? The modern India that we have. Those ideas are given by Bal Gangadhar Tilak and still alive in the hearts of millions of Indians. He is still alive in our hearts. Okay, that's why we are learning about him now. After many years also we remember him and learn about him and celebrate and commemorate him because he has done a lot of things. Not only he, all those who have showed us the path to get freedom. Okay, so for today we have learned about only Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He is known as father of Indian national movement. Date of birth and place, 2 weeklies he started to show the plight of Indians. Then he joined Indian National Congress and he was supporter of Garamdal until the death or till the last day of his life. He kept on working for the struggle or for the freedom. Okay, and his speeches used to inspire a lot of people. So still we remember him. That's why you are learning about him. Read this once again. If you have any doubt, ask me in live class. Till then, bye and have a nice day.